This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting devices ready. Charge the controller and confirm your switch has the latest system update. Once done, go straight to System Settings, then Controllers and Sensors. This is where pairing lives. Next, press and hold the small sync button on the top of the controller for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LEDs start blinking. This tells the switch the controller is discoverable. Make sure you keep the controller within 1 to 2 meters of the console to avoid connection interference. After the controller is discoverable, choose Change Grip/Order on the switch. That forces the console into discovery and shows available devices. When you see the blinking controller appear on screen, select the matching slot to initiate pairing and follow any prompts. Once the switch reports the controller is connected, perform a quick button and vibration test in the menu to confirm inputs register correctly. If you plan to use multiple controllers, repeat these exact steps for each device to avoid slot confusion. Finish by reassigning controller order if necessary, then save and exit the menu so settings stick. If you notice wireless lag or dropouts, move closer to the console, turn off nearby 4 GHz devices, and avoid metal obstacles. Those factors matter. If pairing repeatedly fails, reset the controller hardware. Hold Sync plus SL and SR together for about 5 seconds, then retry pairing from the beginning. That reset clears stale connections and often resolves persistent pairing errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.